Right, welcome back to the channel. We're at the TUI Blue Azur Hotel, and while it's quiet, the maid's been in the room. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the room, room 520. It's quite nearly, I think it's the top floor, but so here we go. I've done it because the maids have been here, so it's pretty clear. Quick tour, and then we're out. So first day here, we arrived late last night, so I'm a bit knackered, and then the boys chased me. We're going to go down to the Madiba watch shop. So if you fancy looking at some super duper watches, be sure to watch the other videos. Now I'm going to spin the camera around quickly, give you a quick tour because I'm being chased already. Running a bit late, so let's spin the camera around. So here we go. As you enter the room, I think we've got a big wardrobe with safe in there, huge wardrobe, towels, beach robes, dressing gowns, sorry, and slippers, and a safe in there. Huge mirror, shower. I love this glass door, bit of see-through glass door. Bathroom there. Hair dryer, shaving mirror, toilet, soft closed toilet seat, lovely, jubbly, nice big sink, and a shower. Honestly, huge shower. And you got like a foot one there, hair one there, and look at that beast up there. Okay, let's go. I'm being chased now, so I've got to hurry up. Huge full length mirror there. Huge bed, double bed. Bedside cabinet, lights, air conditioning unit on the wall there. Bedside cabinet there. Door to next door, so that's locked, unless you want it open for some reason. You're sharing with a family. Another mirror, TV. Ignore my mess there, I'm just about to go out. And then you've got a tiny little balcony. Let me just take you out here quickly. And your two chairs there. A little coffee table there, a little table. And the view here from our room. You got water. You can see the water. Look, I didn't realise last night you could see the water. Lovely. Pool there. This is the back of our hotel. We did not pay extra this time round for pool view, front view. We just didn't think it was necessary. I'll shut that door before I leave it down like that. Then lock it. I draw these curtains, keep it cool. And oh, too late now. A bit dark. Thank you for watching. Shouldn't have done it, should I? Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe. I want to do plenty more videos of this place. I love it. It's 5-star in Marmaris. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.